Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition collection box to share with you, and this is from Latest in Beauty, and it's the Balance Changemakers in Beauty box. I'll just quickly open it up and show you. Here you go. So inside contains 16 beauty products. It has a value of over £120 and the cost is £30, and if you're a subscriber or a non-subscriber to the monthly subscription box, then there's codes currently. So I'll seek them out and I'll pop them down in the description box. So if you're interested in this box for yourself or any other boxes on the Latest in Beauty website, I'll link them all down below. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and all information will be there. So inside you've got a little leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products. So if there's anything I don't understand about the items, I will refer to that as we go along. But this is how it's wrapped. Oh my word, as always, both boxes are just jam-packed. I'll just take those bits off. So I'll pull an item out one by one and show you. But a little bit about this box. It says Balance is on a mission to champion the people, products and brands that are trying to make the world a better place. That's why we're particularly excited about the launch of this Changemakers in Beauty box. There are so many amazing beauty brands out there that are thinking differently when it comes to formulation, innovation, sustainability and packaging. We've selected our favourite hero products, each with its own unique selling point, but they all have one thing in common, a drive to show that progress is possible. Enjoy the box and remember, we can all be change makers. So the first item is a hair conditioner by Momo, and this is a moisturising conditioner for dry or dehydrated hair, and we have got 75 mils there. It's a very, very minimalist packaging, which I really like. Oh, whoa. Oh, is it like a kiwi or something like that? It's a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. I think there's banana in there. A green mush. I really want to put my fingers in there. These conditioners work to moisturise and nourish hair in depth, ensuring tresses are left soft and tangled, looking fuller without feeling heavy. And people who buy this box will receive 1 of 5 conditioners, so it doesn't show you which other ones you might get. But yeah, so there's the first item. Next is a Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment, and there's 5 mils here. I've tried Glam Glow masks and I've tried their moisturiser in a little sample pot, but I've never tried anything else. So this is this serum. Ooh. Oh, it's purple. So 6 Acid Refining. Look, it's purple. It says the silky skin plumping and exfoliating serum harnesses a high potency complex of AHAs, BHA and PHA to dissolve dull surface cells for instantly smooth, radiant skin. Next we got a deliciously nourishing body scrub, and it's with honey, sugar crystals and precious oils, 30 mils by Nux. That sounds gorgeous. Again, I haven't tried these either. I haven't tried this before, and I've tried a few other products from the brand. It's all like, it is literally like, honey. Does it smell of honey though? I don't know what that smell is. It just smells like floral, like a bouquet. You can see there. It says prepare to gently exfoliate and nourish the skin while pleasuring the senses. So there's that. Then we got a product by Kiehl's, and this is a turmeric and cranberry seed energizing radiance mask, and this is 14 mils, and it says invigorates and brightens skin appearance. I've only ever tried a few products from Kiehl's. What I've tried so far is really lovely, so I'm excited to give this a go. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh my word. It's yellow with bits of green. Let me see. Invigorating formula helps skin to regain its natural healthy appearance. Then we got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Hemp Infused Natural Nutrition Moisturiser, and we've got 30 mils here. Apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum, and it says cruelty-free, vegan and 98% natural. Then we got Nature Inspired Botanics. It's 80% organic with rosehip hydrating eye cream for all skin types. We've got 15 mils there. Powerful organic rosehip extract. This fast absorbing formula nourishes the eye area, improving hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines. The eye area is left looking soft, smoothed and illuminated. It's got an eye cream. Then we've got a Wylida Wild Rose Pampering Body Oil, and this is 10 mils. And it says here, indulge your senses and smooth your skin with Damascus Rose and Ylang Ylang. It's a little bottle there. No, it's that rose type of smell I don't like. It's, is it Indian rose I like? No, Moroccan rose. Moroccan rose. I like, no. Not keen on that one. That's a little bit too rosy for me, so I'll be passing that on, but it sounds lovely. It's a pampering body oil. Then we've got a product by Ren, and this is a clean screen mineral SPF 30 mattifying face sunscreen broad spectrum. It has 22% zinc oxide, naturally derived, and we've got 10 mils there. Ooh, I'm really, really excited to give this a go. See how it does on my skin, on top of my skincare, but also underneath my makeup as well. I'm always looking for a natural SPF, and SPF 30 is not too bad. In the summertime, I tend to go up to 50. No chemicals, UV filters, and no silicone. So no, that sounds great. Next, I've tried this before and it is really lovely. It's Bare Minerals, and this is a Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion, and it's the serum. And we got 7.5 mils. So it's a really lovely, lightweight, fast absorbing skin serum. It's just really nice. It is just really, really nice. And it just says, after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck, use morning and night. Infuse with moisture, reawaken the look of youth, enhance skin's resilience. So you got that. Oh, we've got a Murad product. I love Murad. And this is a, oh, it's see-through. I can't read it. What's it say? Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. And we've got 45 mils there. Maybe you can see that better. This daily antioxidant-rich cleanser neutralises the impact of the environment and its pollutants on skin by removing impurities while restoring radiance without over-drying skin. That sounds fab. It's got a cleanser. Then we got an oil by Tropic. This is Super Greens Nutrient Boost Oil, and this is 5 mils. Tropic's much-loved facial oil contains a banquet of healthy ingredients often found in your green smoothie. Skin is left conditioned and glowing with vitality. Then we got a product by Indigo Interlude, and this is Prismology Foot Cream with Oud and Sapphire, and we've got 40 mils. A deeply moisturising cream with antioxidants, mood-enhancing actives, sapphire microcrystals, and oud fragrance to help soothe and tired feet, leave skin soft and supple. Oh, that sounds really lovely, doesn't it? I'm going to have to open that up and have a sniff. Oh, that's lovely. It's a really nice thick cream as well. It feels nice on my hands. Is it for feet and hands? No, it's just for your feet. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, wow. Oh, and it does smell nice. That smells really nice. So you got a foot cream. We got a hand cream this time, and this is by Nursem, and we got 75 mils here, and it's a caring hand cream. Protection for hard-working hands with medical grade Manuka honey, NPA plus 15, barrier restoring oils, and soothing white willow extract. For every product you buy, we'll give a month's worth of free Nursem to a nurse or midwife, and that's the Nursem promise. How wonderful is that? Oh wow, it's developed with nurses to help combat the effects of relentless hand washing. Nursem is a range of therapeutic formulas with naturally derived ingredients to really care for your hands. I have never heard of this before, never heard. How wonderful. Put it on my knuckles are really dry. Oh, it feels really nice. No particular smells as such. No, just a really nice sort of fresh natural smell. So Nursem hand cream. And then we got a product by Love Beauty and Planet. It's a coconut oil and ylang ylang tropical hydration shower gel for an island fresh feel and acts of love for all our planet. And it says it's vegan, and we got 100 mils there. Now I've tried a few from this range, and it is gorgeous. I don't think I've tried this one though. It reminds me of just being on holiday. And I don't go anywhere tropical, not really. I like Greece and Spain and Italy. But oh, it smells so nice. It does smell so nice. I love this brand. Anytime we receive it in subscription boxes, it's like, oh yeah, and I've got a nice big one downstairs. I can't remember what that one is though, but it's like pink and red. I can't remember, but I haven't used it yet, but it's waiting downstairs ready to be used. So I've got another one there. Then I've got a Supreme Restorative Rich Cream, and it's Nutra Divine by Jurlique. I've got 10 mils here. It's a little one. So what's it say about it? Restores, replenishes, rejuvenates, warm between fingertips, gently smooth onto your face and neck. For supreme results, use morning and evening following your preferred Jurlique serum and eye cream. So it's a, yeah, so it's a moisturiser. So there's that. Next we've got some eye patches by Patchology. and inside is a pack of 2 in there. And this is a mood patch. It's a chill mode, soothing cannabis seed oil, infuse eye gels, place 1 pair of gels onto clean dry under eye, 10 minutes, discard after use and massage remaining serum into your skin. So that's the last of the items. So 16 in all. I'll just go through them all one by one, showing you what you get in this box if this box takes your fancy. So we got the eye patches by Patchology, got the shower gel by Love Beauty and Planet, we got a Glam Glow super serum, got a Ren mineral SPF cream, we got a Murad Essential C cleanser, pot of Momo conditioner, got a Tropic Super Greens face oil, we got a Dr. Botanicals hemp moisturizer, got a Nature Inspired Botanics eye cream, we got a Jurlique moisturizer, Kiehl's Radiance mask, Indigo Interlude foot cream, got a Nux body scrub, we got a Y-Leader pampering body oil, we've got a Nursum hand cream, and lastly, Bare Mineral Skin Longevity Face Serum. So those are all the products inside this collection box. If you're interested in taking a look online for yourself, all links and everything will be listed down below. But yeah, I think it's a fab box. It's got a really good mix. And as always, some products I haven't tried before. I'm really, really excited to try the Ren, the mineral sunscreen. That is pretty cool. And the hand cream as well. I really, really love the concept of that. Yeah, just a really nice box. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is it a box that takes your fancy? Or are you going to hold out for a different one maybe, or you just like watching these videos and you've got no interest in getting them, you just like watching to see what's inside them? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.